a whole number larger than 2 leaves a remainder of 2 when divided by each of the numbers 3, 4, 5, and 6. The smallest such number lies between which two numbers? And we have all these choices. Now, for this problem, well, instead of, listing out, like a remainder of 3 when it's divided by, a remainder 2 when divided by 3, that's 5 and 8 and so on and so forth, and do the same with 4 and 5 and 6. That takes way too long. And as you can see, this is multiple choice, so it's probably on a test as well, and it is. So let's see what we can actually do here. What I could find is if it wasn't a remainder of 2, like a remainder of 0, for example, it's just divisible by 3, 4, 5, and 6. Well, then that's the greatest common factor, the least common multiple, keep getting those confused, of 3, 4, 5, and 6. And because every number that's divisible by 6 is also divisible by 3, that gets rid of the 3. So the greatest common factor, the least common multiple of this would be, 60. This is 60. Well, if this is true, well then, a remainder of 2, then you guys add 2 to this, because 60 is divisible by 3, right? So if you take 60 plus 2, it's a multiple of 3. It's 2 more than a multiple of 3. That means that there's a remainder of 3. And because 60 is also divisible by 4, it's a multiple of 4 plus 2, which means there's a remainder of 2. Same thing with 5 and 6. So we just find that the least common multiple of 3, 4, 5, and 6, which is 6, and just add 2, well then you get our answer, which is 62. And 62 obviously fits in category B.